the fear of failure thing is such a big thing. Like I'm always doubting myself. I'm always like, am I even doing the right major? Like, oh my gosh, what if I'm not even good at this math class? Like, what am I doing? Who do I think I am? Like that type of thing. So it's a really real thing, but you have to kind of just remind yourself that, you can do whatever you want to do. Like, don't be intimidated because you think it's going to be hard before you even try it. Like, if you want to do a major that you think is hard, like, don't be intimidated. Just go for it. Just try it. Like, if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. And then you try something else.